Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder for weight loss. To begin, understand that protein is crucial for satiety, helping you feel full longer and naturally consume fewer calories. It also plays a vital role in preserving muscle mass when you are in a calorie deficit, which is essential for a healthy metabolism. Selecting a powder that is low in calories and high in protein content is your first step. Timing your protein intake can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Consider using protein powder as a convenient meal replacement, perhaps for breakfast or lunch, or as a satisfying snack between meals to curb hunger. Typically, mixing 1 to 2 scoops with water or unsweetened almond milk creates an effective, low-calorie option. Additionally, consuming protein after your workout helps with muscle repair and growth. Choosing the right type of protein powder is key. Whey protein is a popular choice because it digests quickly, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. For sustained fullness, casein protein is excellent as it digests slowly, releasing amino acids over several hours. If you prefer plant-based options, pea protein or soy protein are fantastic alternatives that offer similar benefits for muscle support and satiety. To maximize your weight loss efforts, aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving from your powder. Remember, protein powder is a supplement, not a complete diet replacement. It works best when integrated into a balanced eating plan rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables. For personalized guidance tailored to your specific health needs and goals, always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.